Hi everyone, welcome to Health and Wellness 155. This is a three credit course that's going to take place over fall of 2021. I am excited and I hope that this is something that you are excited for as well. Um, this is going to be going on my 5th year teaching this course. I love it. If you read from my bio and the faculty information, I am a counselor, and so there's a lot of topics that really hit for me that we're going to go over this semester. And it's, I think, just a very broad view of everything from, health promoting behaviors, health compromising behaviors, stress. We talk a lot about coping. And then we get into things like cancer and cardiovascular disease, and then all the way down to aging and kind of the end of life stage. So there's a lot that we cover over the next 16 weeks, and I'm very excited about it. I am available through email most often. You can reach me 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. I am also going to offer office hours Tuesday and Thursday evenings from 6 to 8 p.m. through the course of the semester. I would appreciate if you let me know ahead of time, if you'd like to schedule a time to meet, and that way I can send you a Zoom link, and then we can get everything figured out. This semester has a lot of work and a lot of materials that we're going to cover. Sorry, there's a fly. And so it's really important that you stay on top of things, get your assignments turned in by the due dates. One of the most important projects that we're going to do is what's called the Behavior Change Project. Over the first 6 weeks, we'll really start to dive into kind of identifying what your behavior change is going to be. It's really going to give you a good look at kind of what are some current behaviors, what are you doing now, and maybe what are some ways that you want to change or improve. And so you'll get the opportunity to assess and, see what might be a good 4-week project for you in an attempt to kind of better your lifestyle. Really, we're going to be doing that behavior change over about 10 weeks. So you'll have multiple steps that are a part of it. You have to pass each step in order to get to the next one. So it's going to be really important, like I said, to stay on top of things. There are 4-unit exams, and these will be after specific chapters. The first exam will be after the first 4 chapters. So it will open up in the 4th week, and then you'll have the opportunity to have 2 weeks to take that. I'm really here and available if you guys have anything that's, you have any questions about the material or, things that are going on. I know that we're still living in this COVID-dominated world, and so this past year and a half has taught us nothing if not to be, adaptable and flexible. So keep me, updated as things are going on for you. I want to see you guys succeed. So let me, know if there's things going on in your life, and we can try to work things out. I'm excited for this semester. As you can see, I'm at my house. So this is, we're adapting to everything that's changing. Normally I teach this class in person. And so it's a bit of a bummer that I can't get to know you guys and, work through the material over the semester in person, but we do the best we can. And there's a lot of, good things that still happen through the online avenue. So I hope you guys have a great start to your semester, and let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you through. Thanks.